Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for discovering the most practical, functional, and reliable products available online. Today, we're reviewing what we believe to be the best luggage feet on the market right now. The Qulkws Luggage Replacement Pads with Screws by Qulkws. Whether you're repairing an old hard-shell suitcase or upgrading the durability of your current luggage, this is a must-have accessory that checks all the boxes. Let's start with the unboxing. Inside the package, you get 4 replacement pads and 8 screws. Each foot pad measures approximately 2.24 inches by 0.94 inches, with a depth of about 0.58 inches. These dimensions make them a compatible fit for most standard hard-shell suitcases. Installation is straightforward and beginner-friendly. All you need is a screwdriver and a few minutes of your time. Moving on to the build quality. These replacement feet are made from high-quality ABS plastic. ABS is known for its excellent strength and durability. When you handle them, you can instantly feel that they're solid, not flimsy or brittle. The surface is smooth with clean edges, which means there's no risk of scratching your suitcase or catching on your clothes. These are designed to resist wear and tear, and they hold their shape even under daily use and rough travel conditions. Now let's talk about performance. One of the biggest benefits of installing these luggage feet is the stability they provide. When your suitcase is lying flat on the floor or a luggage rack, these feet act as a sturdy base. This helps reduce direct contact with dirty or rough surfaces, protecting your luggage from scratches, moisture, and grime. No more coming back to find the side of your suitcase covered in dust or mud after resting it down at the airport or in transit. Another thoughtful design element is their role in preventing sliding. These feet help anchor your luggage in place so it doesn't shift or move unnecessarily. That means less noise, less impact damage, and more peace of mind when you travel. When it comes to installation, it's refreshingly simple. The product includes all the screws you need, and the process involves lining up the holes on the feet with your suitcase, inserting the screws, and securing them tightly. If you're replacing existing feet, just remove the old ones first. If your suitcase didn't have feet to begin with, a quick measurement and drill will do the trick. The aesthetic is another win. The all-black color blends in seamlessly with most luggage designs. Whether your suitcase is matte or glossy, textured or smooth, these feet won't look out of place. They're not flashy, they're functional and discreet, doing their job without drawing unnecessary attention. In summary, the Qulkws Luggage Replacement Pads with Screws from Qulkws are an excellent solution for anyone looking to repair or upgrade their suitcase. They're strong, well-designed, easy to install, and they enhance the life and usability of your luggage in a very noticeable way. It's a small investment that can make a big difference the next time you travel. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our reviews of the best products on the market. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video.